Hello there, children. News out of Memphis, Tennessee today, August 10th, is that Isac Hayes, the pioneering singer, songwriter, and musician whose relentless theme from Shaft won an Academy and Grammy Award, died today. So says the Shelby County Sheriff's Office. Isac was 65. A family member found him unresponsive near a treadmill, and he was pronounced dead an hour later at Baptist East Hospital in Memphis, according to the sheriff's office, who also says his death is not immediately known. In the early 70s, he laid the groundwork for disco, for what became known as urban contemporary music, and for romantic crooners like Barry White, and he was rapping before there was rap. His career hit another high in 1997 for when most people who know him as this, the voice of Chef, the sensible school cook and devoted ladies' man on the animated TV show known as South Park, in which he always said, "Hello there, children," and wanted you to suck on his chocolate salty balls. But what made Isac Hayes a star? That's easy. 1969, the album Hot Buttered Soul. He had a shaven head, gold chains, sunglasses, which gave him a compelling visual image. Hot Buttered Soul was groundbreaking in several ways. He sang in a cool style, unlike the usual histrionics of big-time soul singers. He perfected, I'm not going to say he perfected, he prefaced the song with the raps, and numbers ran longer than 3 minutes with lush arguments. Jocks would play it all night, at night. So says Isac in a 1999 Associated Press interview. They could go to the bathroom, they could get a sandwich, or whatever. But his number one hit came in 1971 when he did the theme for Shaft, which starred Richard Roundtree. That was like the shot heard around the world. At the 1972 Oscar ceremonies, Hayes performed the song wearing an eye-popping amount of gold and received a standing ovation. TV Guide later chose it as number 18 in its list of television's 25 most memorable moments. He won, like I said before, an Academy Award for the song and was nominated for another one for the score. The song and score also won him 2 Grammys. He once said, "The rappers have gone in and created a lot of hit music based upon my influence. And they'll tell you if you ask." Hayes was elected to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 2002. He was a self-taught musician, and he was hired in 1964 by Stax Records of Memphis as a backup pianist, working as a session musician for Otis Redding and others. And he also played the saxophone. He began writing songs, establishing a songwriting partnership with David Porter, and in the 1960s they wrote such hits hits for Sam and Dave as Hold On, I'm Coming, and Soul Man. All of this led to his recording contract, and in 1972 he won another Grammy for his album Black Moses and earned a nickname he reluctantly embraced. Hayes composed film scores for Tough Guy and Truck Turner, besides Shaft. He also did the song Two Cool Guys on the Beavis and Butthead soundtrack, in the movie Beavis and Butthead Do America in 1996. He was also the voice of Nickelodeon's Nick at Night and had radio show ads in New York City between 1996 and 2002. He was in several movies, including It Could Happen to You with Nicolas Cage, Ninth Street with Martin Sheen, Reindeer Games with Ben Affleck, and of course one of the most better movies, I'm Gonna Get You, Sucker. Truly, it's a shame. But truthfully, Hayes in 2006 quit South Park over that whole Scientology bullshit, which is a shame. Really, it is, because that show was great. Hayes was born in 1942 in a tin shack in Covington, Tennessee, about 40 miles north of Memphis. He was raised by his maternal grandparents after his mother died and his father took off when he was only 1.5. And then when he was 6, his family moved to Memphis. Hang on. I gotta call you back. I'm doing a YouTube video on Isac Hayes. See, this is what happens. Why, thank you very much. See, people, even Julian can call. You got it. Uh-oh, Julian's in the hospital. Anyway, back to Isac Hayes. When he was a child, he wanted to be a doctor, but got redirected when he won a talent contest in the 9th grade by singing Looking Back by Nat King Cole. He held down various low-paying jobs, including shining shoes on the legendary Beale Street in Memphis. He also played gigs in rural southern juke joints where, at times, he had to hit the floor because someone began shooting. Somebody shooting in a black neighborhood. Do you buy that? Because I don't. Then again, yeah, I do. Anyway, Isac Hayes is dead. Chef is gone. And now he ain't ever coming back. Isac Hayes, dead at 65. Peace.